Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group A, and today we will present about our discussion. And the topic is Turning Point and Influence for Human Civilizations Through Atomic Bomb in Oppenheimer by Christopher Nolan using New Historism and Cultural Materialism Theory. First of all, let me introduce our member group. There are Ayu Trinesha Pratiwi, Fari Rezi Faizal, and me Hanum Tiara Madani. And next slide, we will talk about the background and purpose. So the background and purpose of this discussion is movie background Oppenheimer at 2023, directed by Christopher Nolan. That movie tells the story of G. Robert Oppenheimer and the creation of the atomic bomb. Then about the purpose. The purpose of analysis using new historism to see how movies relate to history and using cultural materialism to look at the critique of power and ideology. And next slide is what is the theory of new historicism and cultural materialism. Neo-historicism is a literary theory developed in the 1980 by Stephen Greenblatt. It argues that literature should be analyzed alongside the historical and cultural condition in which it was produced, instead of viewing history as a fixed background. New historicism sees it as a constructed and subjective narrative shaped by power and ideology. And next will be explained by Ayu Trinesha.
Okay, thank you, moderator. The next slide? What is the theory of new historicism and cultural materialism? New historicism is interested in entire discourses that various texts contribute to. The assumption is that texts contribute to discourse and discursive constructions of social condition, by which they mean the representation of, say, the King of England contribute to his actual acceptance or rejection by the people rather than simply reflect them. A key term in Stephen Greenblatt's word Renaissance self-fashioning 1980 improvisation is the way in which an individual seeks to enter into the power relations. In New Historicism, improvisation to underscore specific contexts and strategies. All identity is fiction. Identity is generated through repeated performance and narrative. These performance are modes of dealing with historical social context. Next, what is the theory? Cultural materialism is a theory developed in the 1970 and 1980, associated with Raymond Williams, Alan Sinfield, and Jonathan Dollimer. It shares similarities with New Historicism, but has a stronger Marxist and political focus. All cultural materialist interpretation is consciously political. The cultural materialists believe that the new historicists generate of political readings, in which there is no question of agency of the part of the marginalists. There is some justification for this comment, as we have seen how Greenblatt reading of Renaissance culture suggests that the dominant power structure absorbs resistance. This means there is not hope of ever altering the power relation in favor of the marginalists. Their politically oriented criticism, the four words in several ways. Thank you, moderator.
Thank you, Ayu. And the next topic will explained by Rezi.
Okay, thank you for the moderator. Firstly, I wanna explain about how new historicism in the movie Oppenheimer by Christopher Nolan. Based on new historicism theory from this movie, Oppenheimer is highlighting about turning point in human civilization by creation of atomic bomb to stop war, as a symbol patriotism and development of human science. But following to what is new historicism to examine the untold event, the untold story that didn't highlight in this movie. So it is by creating this bomb, the one who responsible for innocent life and the victim of the weapon of mass destruction. So Oppenheimer become the one who responsible for those weapon, and so they have moral responsibilities to others, to the victim. And the talk of science was first, then morality wasn't absolute wrong, but tragically in this movie it depicts as a patriotic action. Next. And we move to the cultural materialism analysis in Oppenheimer. So briefly, it's the in the Oppenheimer, the creation of atomic bomb impact to the geopolitical condition where some country hold a big power. It also created a big fear also to another country, and it also make a competition between them. The evidence from the movie is as soon as the bomb was struck in the Hiroshima and Nagasaki, the Japan give up because they know how big the impact of destruction the atomic bomb is, and also another country make a competition to develop the same weapon to create a more and more great destruction. And next, the conclusion. So the conclusion is Oppenheimer is not just about historical film, but also a reflection of contemporary political and cultural discourse. And new historicism help us understand how history is constructed in the movie and how it reflects modern socio-political condition. Uh, by viewing in the cultural materialism side, demonstrates how the movies function with the capitalist system, utilizing history as both entertainment and business. The film illustrates how history and entertainment are interconnected in shaping public consciousness. Thank you.
Thank you, Rezi. All right, guys. Thank you for attention. That's all from us. Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, Rezi. Thank you, Hanum. Thank you, Yazi.
Thank you juga. Thank you, Hanum.